This video will show you how to replace the wiper blades on a GMC Sierra 2500. You'll have two of these, each of them located along the bottom of your windshield. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To do one wiper blade, the process will be the same as the other. To start this process, carefully lift the wiper blade and arm up and away from the windshield. But keep in mind, it is under spring pressure, trying to pull back down towards that windshield. So be extremely careful. This does not retract and break your windshield glass. Continuing on with the removal process, with this lifted up, we're going to remove the wiper blade from the wiper blade adapter. Generally, you can just take hold of the arm and the blade, gently twist, and separate the two. Now, since our kit did come with a brand new adapter, we're going to be changing that as well. Looking along where my index finger is, you can see that there is a small locking tab. You'll have a second one just above it in the same area. Squeeze the two together and roll this out of place. You can use pliers if necessary. There we are, both of those. Continuing on, we're going to gently rest this against the windshield. Now let's prepare our brand new wiper blade for installation. Looking at the adapter, you can tell that this is the wrong application. It comes with a whole kit of miscellaneous adapters. This should be fairly simple to swap out. Looking along either side, you're going to find that you have a small locking tab. You're going to take hold of each of those two tabs, squeeze them together towards the center, and then we're going to slide this, what would be considered rearward, and pull it out of place. You can see a small lock and unlock symbol here. Squeeze them in, pull it back, lift it up. Now the next thing we have to do is take our small adapter. This will be one of the adapters we're using. It's a small flat plate. It's going to slide into place. We're pressing it in, listening for an audible click, and giving it a light tug. Now at this point, we're going to take this portion of the wiper blade over and you're going to take the adapter you need for your vehicle. On our application, it's this adapter. It has the two locking tabs, one on either side. Now at the vehicle, we're starting with our adapter. We want to make sure we have it so our two locking ears are facing towards where the wiper arm would be, and of course, once we do slide it on, it's going to fall into the proper positioning. We're just coming along the very tip of this, we're pressing it in, and we'll listen for an audible click. Double check to make sure that's secured so your wiper blade will not fall off while you're driving down the road. And now we can continue on with the wiper blade itself. A quick note about looking at this wiper blade. We want to have it in the proper orientation. As the air is coming up and over the hood, we want to make sure it's also doing the same to the wiper blade, pressing the wiper blade down towards the windshield. If you were to have this in the wrong positioning, you're going to see that the air will hit up against this and lift the wiper blade off of the windshield. Now with that said, I have the wiper blade in the proper orientation. Looking in the center of our adapter here, we can see that I have a small slot, and if you are looking in here, you're going to find that you have a rod that makes its way across. We'll just lift this up to a position we can gain access and press it in. Double check to make sure everything's secured here. We're going to remove our liner from the wiper blade, and we can gently rest this against the windshield. Okay friend, I showed you the installation of one side of the vehicle's wiper blades. The process for one side is the exact same thing as the other. Once you've completed both, go ahead and test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.